Hi, I'm Ty with WTI, and this is my 9 by 12 foot canvas drop cloth. So this is what the fabric looks like up close, and I purchased this drop cloth because I saw a hack being done on the internet of people reupholstering or just draping this drop cloth over their sofa to have a lighter aesthetic in their home. So I purchased this drop cloth to try the same thing. And I did throw this drop cloth in the washing machine first just to get the lint off of it. So I draped it over my sofa, and as you can see how big it is. It's pretty large, and it does have two seams that go down the center of the drop cloth, so I made sure to kind of even those out with the ends of my sofa, and it looks amazing to me. The cloth stretched well, it was sturdy and easy to work with. And that's my point of view.